Hello YouTube, 잘 지내요? We are in the beautiful area of Seongsu, but not Seongsu Station or Seongsu like direct area. We are near Tuksum, which arguably I think is a lot better than Seongsu because it's still in the area, but it's much quieter. This area is super neat. It's not too far away from Seoul Forest. Tuksum is another happen place to be, much like Hapjeong. It's just as popular, but not as many people. Like there's a lot of things to do here, lots of cafes, restaurants, yada yada, you get the point. But today we're gonna take a look at this delicious restaurant. Bam! TTukTtak! TTukTtak, TTukTtak, TTukTtak. Love the name. I think Duk for Tuksum maybe, I don't know, just a guess. But this place is special. It is pork, just samgyeopsal, but special kind of samgyeopsal. They grill this pork and season it with Brazilian style seasoning. You can see asado at the top there. Yeah, doesn't that look delicious? So they season this for, I'm not sure how long, but they put it on a rack over charcoal and get that delicious Brazilian style flavor, and then yet have a Korean mix to it as well. So without further ado, let's go check out TTukTtak in Tuksum. Oh, it smells very good. All right, we got the menu here, YouTube. So we're getting the dun set, the third one. So this one comes with the specialized pork, as well as just like a mix of different cuts of pork, as well as some, just like some vegetables and some mushroom, just kind of like an overall set that you can grill and eat together. Just coming in here, you can smell the spices, which is really nice. Anyways, we put in our order, so let's wait for it to come out. All right, YouTube, we've got the full spread. So we've got the big shish kebab here with an interesting assortment of ingredients on there. This big mushroom, I've never seen a mushroom this big at like a samgyeopsal restaurant, king mushroom. I want to walk over here and show you all the pork. There we go. So we have the asado pork, which is what we wanted. This is like cheekbone, the shoulder, and we have the back of the neck here as well. We've got a real assortment of meats here, which is really nice. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna start off with the pork cheek here. It looks good. This time we got a little bit of cream sauce on there.
I don't go to a ramen place.
That cream sauce is definitely Brazilian style. Like that is some Brazilian style sauce if I've ever had some. Because it's got the the unique flavors that you wouldn't find in Korea. Very good. Now we got the asado pork. Look at that. Doesn't take too long to cook either. Wow. Oh, it's so good. Try with a little bit of the chimichurri sauce that they got. Oh, that is some fantastic pork. You can definitely tell that it's not Korean style. Like they did a really good job of making, I guess, Brazilian flavor. I can't say that I've really experienced with Brazilian style pork or flavor, but it's very good. It's very well seasoned, a little spicy, a little peppery, garlicky. It's got a bunch of flavors in it. Really nice. I do wish that they give you more though, because it's a small amount for the dung, or the order set that we got. Oh, but it's so good. I feel like I got more sauces than I do have pork. All right, we got a little bit of the doenjang here. It's a very red doenjang. Oh, nice. Let me show you. Yeah. This is the doenjang. I thought it was kimchi jjigae at first, but because it's like super red compared to normal doenjang, but it is very, very, very good. All right, we got another piece of pork here wrapped. We got some more pork with this delicious sauce. Try some of these grilled mushrooms as well. Not bad, very soft. Because we know a restaurant's really good too. Because of everything that they sell on the side is really delicious as well. Some mushroom and meat together too. Alright, we got a good combo here. Pork, bell pepper, mushroom. YouTube, this is like, I know I haven't really been saying too much, but this is really one of my favorite places to eat samgyeopsal. It's very unique because samgyeopsal you can get pretty much anywhere, or pork barbecue you can get almost anywhere. But it's very rare that you get this kind of Brazilian style like spices to it, because Brazilian barbecue does exist in Korea and you can get Brazilian barbecue. It's a little expensive, but it's very, very delicious. But this is the first time I've ever seen like, you know, Korean style Brazilian cooking, I guess. And everything slaps. The chimichurri that they made, the cream sauce that they made, the pork, marinated pork, all the different cuts of pork, the vegetables, this doenjang jjigae, everything is so good. I can also say that I'm not the biggest fan of mushrooms either, but this mushroom is really good. It's very exceptionally soft. I've never had this mushroom before. But compared to a lot of other mushrooms I've had, this one feels like really, really, really soft, nice and good texture. A natural bit of saltiness to it as well. All right, YouTube, we pounded out that meat. It was so good. We ordered one last thing. We're gonna get pizza bokkeumbap. That's right, pizza bokkeumbap. Seen a little bit. YouTube, here we go. We have the pizza bokkeumbap. Wow, 진짜 맛있겠다. You can kind of see the rice on the bottom, and then the pizza part is just some pepperoni, an egg, I guess, and then some cheese and sauce. All right, let's dive in. YouTube, dig this cheese pull. Yeah, look at that. Get a good mix everywhere. Cheese, egg, rice, pepperoni. This is very unique, YouTube. Very, very, very unique.
It's everyday Korean.
So I've said, I'm not. I know I've mentioned this multiple times. I'm usually not the biggest fan of fried rice, but this one is unique enough for me to have wanted to try it. But it's very, very, very good. The rice, perfectly cooked. It's very, very cheesy. Very cheesy. It doesn't taste too much like a pizza, less than I expected it to. But you have a strong taste of the egg that was put in there. It was really nice. So the real element of pizza is the pepperoni that they put on there, I guess. That's the biggest element of pizza to it. But it's very, very nice. I really like it. Okay. A little bit of the radish on top too. Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna finish up with this rice later, but for this place, very, very good. One disclaimer, I would recommend maybe coming here in the afternoon or dinner time, because lunchtime, there's only one guy that works here, and so things are a bit slower. It took a while for the rice to come out. Again, that's fair. But if you want to come here, maybe have a bit more of a atmosphere, maybe more people working, afternoon/dinner time might be the best time to come in. But the food is very good. Very, very, very good. If you're in the TTukTtak area, or Seongsu area, I should say, it's right next to TTukTtak exit 8. Very, very delicious. I mean, I don't know the other samgyeopsal restaurants in this area, but so far this is the best one for me. I think it's very unique. It's a very great concept. Great place to come and eat with friends, family. So maybe definitely make TTukTtak a place to come visit whenever you're in the Seongsu area. Otherwise, YouTube, I'm gonna see you next time. Thank you for watching, and as always, like and subscribe if you like what I do or like this particular video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.